Entire nation is wishing the Prime Minister a great birthday. Prime Minister has steered the country very successfully in very difficult times, setting an example to the world at large. If we look at COVID, you'll find that for the first time, inspired by the Prime Minister, motivated by his determination, our scientists rose to the occasion. We have been able to tackle COVID so effectively, efficiently, in spite of very challenging scenario. On all other issues of development and growth, the country is finding itself on incremental trajectory, which is of a plateau nature. And that incremental trajectory has resulted in societal growth in all important sectors. The weaker sections of society have come to be empowered effectively. Honorable Prime Minister has taken care of the farm sector effectively by empowering the farmers by a grant every year and then making available best of mechanism to the small and marginal farmers. That being the scenario, I have no doubt that country on the rise in every sector. The kind of attention that has been bestowed for our security concerns on our defense sector is highest ever. The entire nation is celebrating his birthday, as for last few years what has been seen by this country was not even imagined. Let us take one instance. Making gas available free to more than 80 million households is no ordinary achievement. Creating inclusive banking system for 250 million people is not easy. We recall the times where opening a bank account was virtually a very difficult task that is no longer there. So when basic amenities are flowing to the rural and urban areas, and we are witnessing growth of a very different qualitative nature, I am sure the celebration is well-meaning. I wish the Prime Minister many long years of health, happiness, so that he could be in the service of nation and society at large.